This morning I'm baking a truly delicious brownie fudge pie with Donovan's chocolate. I've got my KitchenAid here, flat beater. Into the bowl goes 175 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 85 grams of butter. Got West Gold butter. We need to add in a couple of tablespoons of water just to help this form and take shape. About 2 or 3 tablespoons. And we'll just mix this together now. Now, this is going to be wrapped up. I've got a beeswax wrap here. You might be using plastic wrap. And here's my formed dough. Told you it was simple. We are going to wrap this up and pop it into the fridge for 15 minutes to chill. Let's roll this out. Pastry's looking good. I'm just going to lift it up, drop it in. And then we'll just gently work it in. Line it with some grease-proof paper and then gently pour in baking beans. Right, this is ready to go into the fridge and chill for 15 minutes. Once it's chilled, we're then going to bake it for 15 minutes at 180. That's baked and is cooling. Here it is. Now it's time to make the lovely fudgy brown centre. I've got my KitchenAid back here. I've got my wire whip, which helps beat in air when you're whipping eggs and cream. I'm gonna add in 3 eggs and some light brown sugar. In it goes. And we'll get that mixing. That's nice and airy now. We're gonna add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And I've got 175 grams of melted butter. So we need to fold through 50 grams of flour, not much if you're preserving flour, and 50 grams of Donovan's cocoa powder. Now let's measure out the Donovan's milk chocolate drops. 50 grams of chopped nuts. I've got a mix of macadamias and cashews. And we're just going to sprinkle that onto the base and sprinkle on the chocolates. Then on top, we are going to pour this filling. On it goes. This really does look very, very, very chocolatey and delicious. Now this is going to go back into the oven and cook for about 30 minutes. Here's my extremely delicious brownie fudge pie with Donovan's chocolate. A little extra cocoa powder to serve. If you would like to win a wonderful hamper full of Donovan's chocolate goodies, then just pop over to the cafe Facebook page for all the details. I'm just going to serve this up here with a scoop of ice cream on top. Delicious fudgy brownie.